Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove access from Google Drive. Friends, if you have given file access to someone on Google Drive which now you want to remove, then you need to open your Google Drive. Now here in Google Drive you need to open the file. Now here on your file you need to click on share. Now here you will find the list of people to whom you have given access of this file. So to remove access to someone, you need to click on editor and here you need to click on remove access. Also, if you have shared link of this file with someone and you want to remove access of that link also, then you need to click on the small arrow and here also you need to select restricted. Now click on done. So friends, like this you can very easily remove access of Google Drive file. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.